Thanks for joining me for my September plan with me. This one is pretty simple, so there's not going to be a whole lot of voiceover. I'm just going to sit back and mostly play some music for you guys. I love it when I get the opportunity to use this adorable planner stamp set from Prima Marketing. I bought this last year and got to use it for 3 months, then had to put it up. I'm debating which stamp to use, and I ended up going with kind of a cheese board and the phrase gobble gobble for this is kind of a joke because this is a faculty and staff retreat, and I'm just kind of poking fun at the food that always seems to be present at those kinds of events. This is one of my oldest planner stamp sets, and that due stamp is unfortunately just a little bit dirty. I'm going to follow it up with this little credit card stamp from the same set that is just so adorable. It's weird to say that about a credit card stamp, but yeah, it's a really cute stamp set. So after I wrote out all of our destinations for the month of September, I found out that several of them are going to be changing, but that's what stickers are for, right? These little balloons are from the Lawn Fawn Plan On It stamp set, and they're a cute way to denote any kind of celebration. Usually I use them for birthdays, but this is a different kind of celebration. And there's also a little gift stamp in there, great for birthdays and any other kind of gift giving occasion or gift shopping occasion. As happy as I am to break out my Prima fall planner stamp set, I'm really happy to break into, I think this is Amber Moon. It's also by Prima, and I've had this paper pack for a while now, just waiting for fall to roll around. So I think I'm actually more looking forward to using the fall themed papers than I am to fall itself. Well, I am looking forward to not having 100-degree heat every day of the week, but I just love the fall colors and fall papers. I do have some fall themed washi, but I decided to go ahead and break out this border stamp instead. It makes a great alternative to washi tape. Since I'm done with my functional planning, I decided to go ahead and do a little decorative stamping. And in order to make it possible to do some functional planning later, in case I have a change of plans, I decided to just go ahead and do some second generation stamping on my layout. And I totally saved that scrap of first generation stamping paper for a future project. I think I'm going to make a bookmark out of that. Thank you for following along my September monthly plan with me. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.